Hi, this short video introduces CMS Retrofit and explains some of the features and benefits of it. Basically what a CMS is a content management system, a type of site, a type of website which can be updated and changed by a non-professional that doesn't have to use tools like Dreamweaver or Expression Web and Photoshop and stuff like that. The downside of a content management system is that you're usually stuck with a certain amount of, well, you are stuck with a limited amount of templates or themes. So, in other words, if you want your site to look like in a certain way, you can't use a CMS. You have to get it designed in the way you want it designed. What CMS Retrofit does is it takes an existing site and retrofits in or fits in a blog or takes pages of it and makes the pages such that as though they belong to a CMS. In other words, that those pages can be updated by, say, members of staff, by non-professionals, in other words. So that's what CMS does. So it just says here on our site, cmsretrofit.com, we take your website and add a blog, make pages easy to update so you can change your news, content, whatever, instantly. The big advantage of a CMS is that it's so easy to actually change the pages, the content of the pages. So we're adding that capability to normal website pages. So to illustrate, let me just go to a website here, Smashing Times Theatre Company. So here it is, standard website. It's got a header here with a logo, a little flash movie, a menu system, submenu, content, a sidebar here, latest news or whatever. So we took the look and feel of this site, and if we go down here to blog, we created a page that is a blog using the look and feel, as I said, using the images and the menu, the flash movie and so on, and put it into a WordPress blog. So I'll just click on it here now. So this, as I say, it looks the same, except this is a WordPress blog. Let me just show you something. If we go back to home here, you can see in the address bar where it has smashingtimes.ie. Okay, but if we go on to the blog, it's got smashingtimes.cmsretrofit.com. It has actually gone off the site onto our server where the WordPress installation is. WordPress is the most powerful blog software out there. There are other CMS, content management systems, and blogs are much of a muchness. In other words, they're designed such that a normal user, a non-professional, can update them. So here is actually a blog entry, the third blog entry to the Smashing Times team. If I just click on this, it shows you that this is a typical WordPress capability, that the blog entry can be put in with text and images and so on, and then the general public or viewers of the site can submit comments, which then can be in turn commented upon, or you can leave out that capability if you want. Okay, if you want, that's the front end of the blog. That's what the user sees. If you actually want to edit this and add a blog, the first time you do it, you have to log in. And first time you log in, you'll have to use this .php. That brings you to a WordPress login page, and you can just put in a username here and a password. And that brings us to the back end, as it were, Smashing Times blog. This is what WordPress called the dashboard. I'm not going to go into all this detail, but this is where you would set up pages to be edited, posts, different media, to change comments or delete them or ban them altogether. I'm just going to add a title here, so I'm just going to say the fourth entry. Excuse me. I can upload an image, a video, audio, or any media type, and actual text here. So I'll just put this is another test, and I'll upload an image by selecting a file here. Just pick this one. That's a relatively large file, but it'll do, no problem. I can make changes here and add captions and stuff like that and link it to a certain web page, but I'm just going to go insert into post. Okay, and then I'm just going to go publish. That's it. Boom. I can now view the post. So that's it. It can be commented on or whatever. I'm actually logged in here, but if I just log out, this is what the general public will see. They'll have this ability to submit the comment, but they'll be asked for a name and an email and optionally their website. We can change that quite easily, but this is the default. This is the way it's set up. So that's it. So that's the blog, and then if I click on About Us or whatever, it just brings me back to the website again, even though it doesn't look as though you've ever left it. Okay, thank you.